Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Did this driver pass out, or what happened here? This road was extremely wet and started to build up a thin ice layer, causing several cars to start sliding at this turn.
Oh, there's a pileage.
I think that 50% of the driving in this clip is not even done by the driver, and rather just the icy road. Is that a yellow light? Better floor it.
Never in my life.
This is how you get your car hit at night. A weird turn here. Driver overtakes another driver, almost getting in a head-on collision, while there is an intersection right in front of him. Speeding Audi. think that hurt?
Alright, we'll stop it right here with this one out. Hello. Would you like a wheelchair? Yeah. He's already got me. We just need to get a wheelchair. Yep. All right, my friend. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Even after hearing the honks, he still cuts this driver off.
Not bad.
Comment what you think that object was. This accident pretty much saved that family's lives. Why did the driver in the left lane not just let this driver use it to avoid that collision?
You didn't see me.
A bird flew into this driver's headlight. Is this still considered roadkill, or is there a term for anything flight-related? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.